Are you completely tired of messy, chaotic spreadsheets that seem to break the moment your data gets even a little bit complex? Today, we're taking a look at Grist, a platform that calls itself a relational spreadsheet database built to end data chaos once and for all. If you've ever felt trapped between the simplicity of a standard spreadsheet and the actual power of a structured database, Grist wants to be your middle ground, letting you organize your data your way. So, what makes it different? Instead of just flat rows and columns, Grist allows you to build actual relational databases. This means your data points can talk to each other dynamically, giving you much more control without needing to write complex SQL code. It's designed to be highly customizable, so you can view and structure your information exactly how your workflow demands. Now, let's talk about what the community thinks. To be completely transparent with you, we don't have a verified pool of external user reviews or third-party feedback in our research database for Grist just yet. Because of that, we can't give you a breakdown of common user complaints or praise. But looking at its core promise, the biggest pro is clear. It bridges the gap between spreadsheet ease and database power. On the flip side, because we lack widespread user reviews, the best way to see if it truly handles your specific day-to-day data without a steep learning curve is to test it yourself. Fortunately, Grist does offer a free trial, so you can import your own messy sheets and see if it actually cures your data chaos before spending a dime. Is it the absolute best tool for 2026? If you are drowning in disorganized files, it's absolutely worth checking out. Head over to their website to start your free trial, and if you've used Grist yourself, drop a comment below to let us know your experience. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest tool reviews.